All right, class, we're moving on to 5-8, and we're working with fractional coefficients, meaning, hey, now we're solving these quadratics, but they have these nasty fractions. So this is like 1/9, 1/6, 1/2 is equal to 0. Our essential question today is, can you solve equations and inequalities having fractional coefficients? So just like before, we are going to eliminate fractions. Y'all don't like working with fractions, just admit it. So let's just get rid of them. What would be the common denominator between 9, 6, and 2? Good, 18. So I'm going to multiply each of these through by 18. And when I do that, oh, how lovely that they gave us a 0. Notice that 9 and 18 cancel out to be 2. 18 and 6, 3. 18, a half of 18 is 9. And anything times 0 is 0. That was lovely. So we get 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So we're back to the old drawing board of using the California method or the 4 terms method. We're going to take first times last. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. The factors of negative 18 that add up to be negative 3 are probably negative 6 and positive 3. I'm going to use California method just for time. So I have 2x over negative 6, 2x over 3. And remember that this 2 and negative 6 could reduce. And it looks like I get x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And let's just check that in our heads. X times 2x is 2x squared. Outer is 3. Inner is negative 6. That will add up to be negative 3. And last, negative 3 and positive 3 is negative 9. Now, we do have to solve, so I'm going to set each of these equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to solve. Add 3. X equals 3. Subtract 3. 2x equals negative 3. Divide by 2. X equals negative 3/2. So my two solutions, very small written there, but I'll write them in deep blue. X equals to 3 and negative 3/2. So our key is to eliminate fractions. Eliminate fractions. We're going to do some more videos on this, but we're going to start off with just this one. Great job.